Welcome to Alicia's Life Journey. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share. And don't forget to hit that notification bell. How to make an epic beef nachos supreme. So let's go. You'll need ground beef. You'll need refried pinto beans with chipotle, cilantro, red and yellow onions, and tomatoes, or you can do pico de gallo. Either one is fine. You can do taco seasoning mix. I like to do low sodium because it's less salt. You need green onions chopped, and you'll need yellow onions chopped, shredded extra sharp cheddar cheese, and shredded mozzarella cheese. And don't forget la banderita totopos clásica, authentic Mexican chips. It starts off pretty simple. Just cook the beef. While the beef is cooking, you chop or mince your onions. Throw it in a pot with your beef and saute the onions with your beef while it's cooking. Get it some flavor. Y'all know how to cook beef. Cook it till it's no longer red and no more blood and it's no longer pink. Now you strain and drain your beef after it's finished cooking. I think we're just gonna throw it back in that pot again to cook it with that taco seasoning. Pouring my low sodium taco seasoning mix in, and then you add a cup of water so you can boil it. Now you're mincing the green onions. Now we're going to put our authentic Mexican chips, tortilla chips, onto your baking pan. Cover the pan with the chips. Then we're going to use this refried beans, and you cover like 1 scoop around the perimeter and in the middle, just enough to cover it, just a good amount. Then place the ground beef on top of your beans, and then time to extra sharp cheddar cheese shredded. So we're shredding it, covering it with extra sharp cheddar cheese. And then we cover it with the mozzarella cheese. Shred it really good. And now it's time to bake it for about 15 minutes. Get your pico de gallo or your tomatoes and onions if you already have those, and cover your beef nachos after it's taken out of the oven. Cover it really good with the cilantro as well. Okay, that's just tomato, red onions, cilantro, and white onions. Which is called pico de gallo. And then now you just cover it with the green onions that's chopped and shredded. You see how delicious and cheesy it is? It's so good. Delicious. Alright, you guys, thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. And don't forget to click that link below. How to make epic beef nachos supreme. Very delicious, very yummy. All you have to do is pair it with your favorite drinks. And tonight we're pairing it with a pink Moscato. Thanks. Have a good one.
I like gifts, especially gifts from Amazon. And if you want to get a gift from Amazon, you can have a chance to win this $25 Amazon gift card. All you have to do is like and subscribe to Alicia's Life Journey. Click the link below. Comment on the violin cover video of The Wind Beneath My Wings. And spread the word and help me get to 280 subscribers. That's all you have to do, and you have your chance to win the $25 Amazon gift card.